just getting started, Twist. You and Stein are in for some surprises.
Slappy, still alive. Me, still a typewriter. And you, still in my house? Still here, thank goodness. That long gnome is stealing a page. Don't just... Oh, no. Just hide. Hide! Look inside. Karu Mari Adona Loma Molonu Karano. You and I are one now. Those are the magic words that bring Slappy back to life. But who? Oh, those movers must have read it. It doesn't matter. That is not a friendly gnome. Get in before he gets you. A nightmare on Clown Street. Ooh, scary. I should have called it Mr. Squeezy's Funhouse instead. Then again, maybe not. The werewolf of Fever Swamp. If you see a werewolf with shoes on, just hide. Hide as fast as you can. Let's see, there's sad clowns, scary clowns, really scary clowns. Murder is one of those ambush clowns. Just don't run into him by accident. Oh, you want something easy, eh? Well, easy stories are boring stories. Every tale needs a twist. And you are the twist, okay? There are one or more pages in this room.
Stay where you are.
Completed the book. Now find Slappy and open the book on him.
I'll be back. See you around.
You're gonna try and get me in that book? That's not gonna... No!